Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we are going to introduce what is ShopPay app and how does it work. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you what is ShopPay and how does it work. So first of all, you can actually go to the shopify.com/shoppay and it will take you right here. ShopPay is a payment method that we can add to our Shopify store and it allows us to reduce abandoned cards offered by Now Pay Later with ShopPay installments, and we also can earn repeat customers effortlessly. So ShopPay is actually a really good app to add to your Shopify store, especially if you are looking for an easy payment method and for easy installments. So in order to add ShopPay to your Shopify store, actually you can go to the payment section and then you're gonna click on visit Shopify App Store, or you can simply go to your Shopify App Store and search for ShopPay and it will take you right here. So with ShopPay, we will be able to convert more sales with accelerated checkouts. We will be able to build trust and increase transparency with the track with shop button. So we will also be able to customize mobile app storefront with assets unique to our brand. We can engage and retain customers with personalized product recommendations. We will be able to measure shop's impact on our business with key performance analytics. So it is all in one platform that gives you control for managing and optimizing your brand presence on Shopify. So you can add this Shop Pay to your Shopify store and you will be able to actually get installments with Shop Pay, and it also gives you the analytics you want. It has a free trial available. You can sign up for Shop Pay if you want it with your Google account or your email address. You just have to enter your phone number and get your Shop Pay and then just connect it to your Shopify store, and it will give you about 15 days as a free trial. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.